Hi, I'm Rahul Kamra and I can make you lose weight. I help people do keto and I started a page on 9th January 2019 called Ketorets, short form to Ketogenic Secrets, where I share secrets from my personal ketogenic journey and I tell people how to do keto and adapt to this lifestyle. I never started keto one fine day where I thought, oh, let's do keto. I was also 117 kgs at one point of time where I was struggling to lose weight and I was working out, going to the gym, drinking protein shakes, trying body enhancing supplements. So here's my story. On 3rd January 2016, I entered the gym and I realized that I'm 117 kgs. I was working for a food tech company, free food, free drinks, and everything was just there. I was gaining weight or I was gaining fat just like, how you fill air in a balloon. Not kidding about that. If in case I would have said pizza 5 times, I would have gained a kg. And then I started doing a low carb diet, work out twice a day, go for martial arts, dance, and tried everything till August 2016 when I was really frustrated that I'm not able to lose fat. I was so desperate that in August 2016, I tried body enhancing supplements. I tried different diets. I tried different ways to lose weight. And I was just very curious that, okay, this would work or this would not work. And I was trying everything left, right, center. I tried different protein shakes, different diets. And then I stumbled upon keto and I said, okay, let's try this also because nothing is working with me. This may work with me. With acne all over my body, with serious hormonal issues, a doctor also suggested me to try keto and said that why don't you try keto, it will help you to lose weight and at the same time solve your skin problems. So I was just ready. I was like, okay, let's do this now. I thought that keto is a fad. It's like a crash diet. You will do it for a while and then it will show you some results and it will just fade away. You will gain it back again. But I was completely wrong. I just adapted to it as a lifestyle. It's been 3+ years that I'm doing keto. Ketogenic lifestyle gave me a new way to solve my skin problems, to lose weight, to be fit, to have better mental clarity and have also, better focus, which I can actually focus right now while recording this. With this, I came down from 117 kgs to 74. I have no acne anymore and I don't have any kind of health issues anymore. Keto is my new normal. Ketorets is a personalized, exclusive diet curation program where I help a client adapt a ketogenic diet according to their taste and preferences, and I give them the best of what I know in my experience of doing keto. Ketorets works on a very interactive format where a client shares their weight picture, diastics, whatever they're eating during the day, what are they planning for the day, and how are they planning their meals, where I share recipes with them every day according to their taste and preferences. With daily check-ins, there are weekly check-ins as well. Measurements, before after pictures, motivational calls, planning the next week, how exactly are you planning your next vacation or how you're planning your next business trip. Everything is discussed with the client weekly and at the same time on a daily basis as well. With daily and weekly check-ins, you want a person to be available on certain days. For example, you're stepping out for a dinner on Sunday evening. If in case you're going for a business trip, if in case you're planning your next vacation, if in case you're craving a chocolate mousse in the night at 11 p.m. It's all taken care of and it's all about you. A Ketorets experience is all about a non-judgmental buddy who can be with you and who can prioritize you more than anything else and help you to do this journey in the best possible manner. A relationship where you and I work towards one goal, that is to make you lose weight. That is what is a Ketorets experience and that is what you may experience with me. The personalization of Ketorets is also extended to your constipation issues, to your menstrual cycle rates, to your weight issues, how it is fluctuating, to your journey, and that is how patterns are applied. Hand holding the client and being their best critic. I appreciate and then I scold as well. I can't be sugarcoating things when I work with you in this process. It's a team of 2 people, you and me. We are working on one single goal, that is to make you fit, that is to make you lose weight. The client speaks to me or talks to me as if they are talking to their best friend or as if they're sharing something. You know something, when my clients get emotional, it's all about listening to them. The majority of the times when they are cheating on keto or they're leaving keto or they're introducing carbohydrates, it's all about just listening to them. You're speaking to that listener right now. To sum up an experience at Ketorets, it's personalized, exclusive, and at the same time giving you what you feel like eating, taking care of your cravings, answering your questions about weight fluctuations, motivating you, being that listener who is not judgmental about what you're saying. I do have people working with me. One for the website, one promoting this video, one taking care of my Instagram page, but the curation is always in my hands. because it's just about you and me. There's no third person getting in this process. I don't function with a team of people, those who are going to take care of your curation. The reason why I don't have a team is because when I was doing my fat loss journey, I could never find one person to speak to. 3-4 people were talking about it, how you should do it, what you should do it, and everybody loves talking about it. I want to speak to the person who knows the best about it. This is not a marketing gimmick that I get you on board as a client and then I tell you that okay, speak to my intern or speak to my employer, speak to anybody else. It's a personalized way of working with it. You're watching Keto Reds by Rahul Kamra and you're speaking to Rahul Kamra. I don't have Sundays. My weekends are more busy than anybody else. But one man army is what I call myself. So what do I exactly do? I help you get into keto. I help you successfully get out of keto, which is really important. I help you sustain a lifestyle which is sustainable and which also helps you to not to gain all the fat back again. And I be your buddy for the rest of your life. To develop a trustworthy relationship and create an environment where accountability and responsibility is between both the parties. And the focus is on quality of food, ingredients sourced from a reliable and a safe source. To create a community of like-minded individuals like you and me who want to make sure that they lead a sustainable and healthy lifestyle is what I want to do with Keto Reds.